Yeah, I'm on the road again. It's Friday, and a little bit of news first, and that is that next Wednesday, I think it's Wednesday, we can leave the area, because currently we're in lockdown, so we restricted to our area. So I'll be able to get out and make more videos and go to different places, because currently I can only really go to the dunes or drive on the beach, and that's about all. Anyway, one thing I want to do in the new year, and start doing it now, is I'd like to interview and film a lot of your vehicles. So if you've got a vehicle that you've done some mods on and you want to talk about it, you'll obviously have your name on the video, and you can talk about your truck, what you've done, why you've done it. So you've done a lift, you've put on a specific roof rack, you might have a rooftop tent that you really fancy. So yeah, the idea is that I'll come to you, we can probably drive somewhere, maybe film the vehicle off-road, and then do a little bit of a talk about what you like on your vehicle. And I think it'll be interesting for everyone, and it's all vehicles, not just FJs obviously. So whatever vehicle you've got, give me a call. I'll put my email, well, I'll put my email in, that's probably the easiest. Just email me, I'll get back to you. Initially I will do interviews and vehicle videos in Auckland, and then we'll move all over North Island, and then we'll go down to South Island and film a whole lot of episodes down there and cover a lot of your vehicles. So this will be ongoing. If you are not in New Zealand, yeah, we can film something and do it on Zoom and record it that way. There's lots of options. So if you'd be keen to show us your vehicle, drop me an email, and I look forward to that. Cheers.